believe that?
Okay. Okay.
I can believe it. All right, hold on. So, it's on low ready.
Yep.
One shot to the head box, center target.
Yep.
Shooter ready?
Ready. That was a little bit high.
105.
105. Okay. What's the next one?
Huh?
What's the next drill? High ready, one.
High ready. One shot to head box, center target.
Okay. High ready.
All right. Shooter ready?
Ready. Ooh, I think I whiffed it.
1.37.
Yeah, I aim too high.
Yeah, this ear protection, they're really good.
Huh. Yeah.
I can't even fucking hear you. All right.
Write that. Did you write that one down?
Yeah.
It's 1.37.
137.
Yep.
Engage center target 1 round, left target 2 rounds, right target 3 rounds, center target 4 rounds. So it's
Actually,
one,
we might want to mark them because I see ones that are on there that
oh,
we didn't.
going.
Okay.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's the next drill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're doing
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Ready?
Hold on. That's all right. Shooter ready?
Ready. Wait, hold on. We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to double check.
Ah! No, it doesn't work like that.
You gotta hit it. Okay, reset it.
I know.
Press the go button again.
Shooter ready?
Ready. Ah, that was really slow.
10 shots to 7.11.
Yeah. I stuttered. Okay. Just press the go button whenever you're ready and just leave it until then. Swing. Yeah. Okay. What's the next drill?
All right, next drill. 180-degree turn. 5 into left. Remember that you need a magazine with on
yes.
the side there.
One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2. How am I counting this? Okay. There should be 4 in the mag, 1 in the gun. What?
Your mom can't leave the car like that for too long.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
So what is it?
5 into left target. Reload, bolt lock reload, and 5 into right target.
Okay.
You're gonna turn that way, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn to the left. Okay.
All right.
Just watch
Shooter
for
ready?
brass. Okay. Shooter ready. It's 5, right?
10 shots.
Okay, perfect. I shot that first one really fast because I know I only had 5 rounds. And then the second one, I hesitated and slowed down a little bit just so I would hit my shots.
Right here. 2 rounds. Run to the 25-meter position and 2 rounds into the target head box. 2 into the target head box. Run 2 into the target head box.
Okay, so 2 from here into there, and then run back to the 25, and then 2 into there?
Yeah.
Okay. High or low, does it say?
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Hold on.
You're good.
Right. So, 1, 2 rounds, boom, boom, boom. So. Hold on. Let me put this away. I'm gonna make it back and run.
You're good.
All right. So, they're ready?
Ready. Oh, those were both hits, I know for a fact. I think I might have fluked that first one.
Shots in 983.
983. Okay. I know at least one of those hit center A box on that left target. Let me look. was right on it. It's more on the C zone, damn. And then this one. Fuck, I missed both these ones. So that sucks. Okay, what's the next one?
Next one from there. Engage. Move each target
Well, moving.
to next position and 2 on each target.
So from here, moving to there, 2 on each.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is. From here is 2. Move to the next position and 2 again. All right?
2 while moving? Oh, no, 2 here,
Get there,
move.
2.
So 2 here, move,
get
2.
there, 2.
Okay, does it say which target to aim at?
No.
Doesn't?
It doesn't say, but it must say center, right?
Okay, I'll just go with center then.
All right.
Very good.
All
If you
right.
press the go button, it should reset it immediately. It'll just set the timer off.
The shot will reset it.
So if it has, let's say, like 3 rounds on it in like 4.6 seconds or something, just wait until you're ready to press the button again, and then press the go button, and it should reset it, and then start the timer immediately.
Oh,
So-
all right, got you.
Yeah.
All right, should it ready?
Ready? Hold on.
2 on each target, and then move there.
So 2 into the center, move, 2 into the center.
No, 2 on each target. It's engage 2 on each target. Move to next position, and 2 on each target again.
Okay. So 2, 4, and then so on and so forth. So
2, 4, 2, 2, 2. Move 2, 2, 2.
okay, I got it.
Only 2 on each. Twice.
I got it.
All right. Should it ready?
Ready?
Shots in 14:24.
Did I overshoot that?
Huh?
Did I put too much? What was it?
13 shots
Okay.
in 24.
2, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Yeah, 6.
No, you did an extra one.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was supposed to be 12. But how?
Wait, hold on, let me see.
13 shots. And
Also, if you bump it, it will count a time. So it might have been because I know for a fact I did 2 on each. I know that for a fact. So it might have like done this or something while moving, or I don't know, while you were running, and it might have, or you might have bumped it against something, and it might have counted it. So I guess let's just go with. There's no makeup, so just go with this time. Just go with that time.
Go to 14. No?
Yeah, just go with 4.25 or
14 point. All right.
yeah,
Now,
whatever that number was.
buzzer. From over there. Move forward. 5 meter line. We're moving 4 rounds.
4? Okay. So, here's... Okay, I'm going to change mags actually. Okay.
Should it ready?
So, 4 on each while moving.
Yep. That's
Okay.
all. Oh yeah. Be careful there.
Yeah.
All right. Should it ready?
Ready. Okay, what was that? That was not.
Shot. 13.36.
Yeah, I didn't do very good on that. I know for a fact. Okay. What was the time for that?